Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to our lecturer, Dr. Ramita binti Rahim. We are pleased to present our Microsoft project assignment for the BTM545 project management course. My name is Jana Yusof and alongside me is my teammate, Farhanis Dania. Our presentation is divided into two parts. First, Dania will explain the project roles and responsibilities, the work breakdown structure, as well as how Microsoft project was used for project coordination and monitoring. After that, I will continue by discussing the challenges we faced during preparing Microsoft Project, the lesson we learned, and our reflection on applying Microsoft Project in a real project environment. Without further ado, I would like to invite Danya to begin our presentation.
For this project, our group chose the Program Bureau. The Program Bureau is responsible for planning and managing the overall flow of the event. Our main responsibility include developing the program framework, preparing the program proposal, and creating the tentative schedule and cue sheet. We also prepare the MC script, coordinate facilitator, and ensure all program activities run smoothly. During the event, we manage the program execution and ensure that every activity follows the planned schedule. After the event, we are responsible for preparing the final bureau report. Next, the work breakdown structure is used to break the project into smaller and more manageable parts. The project starts with level 1, which is the overall program bureau project. Then at level 2, the project is divided into main phases such as program planning, schedule development, activity preparation, team preparation, rehearsal, program execution, and project closure. At level 3, each phase is further broken down into detailed tasks. For example, in planning, we include brainstorming activity and preparing the program proposal. In preparation, we include tasks like activity requirement, price survey, and venue inspection. Milestones are also included to mark important achievements such as program framework approval, completion of tentative and cue sheet, program readiness after rehearsal, and event completion. Moving on, Microsoft Project helps us in managing the project in more structured and organized way. In planning, it allows us to create the work breakdown structure, set task duration, and define task dependency. In coordination, it helps us assign resources and ensure each task had a clear responsibility. For monitoring, we use the baseline to compare plan and actual progress. We also updated task progress using percentage complete and identify critical tasks using the critical path. The tracking gun view helps us visually monitor progress and detect any delays in the project.
Now, I will continue presenting the challenges we faced during preparing the Microsoft project. During this project, we faced several challenges. First, it was difficult to ensure fair resource allocation among team members because each person had different responsibility and availability. Second, whenever there was a schedule change, it affected the entire project timeline, so we had to update the task dependencies carefully. Lastly, estimating realistic task duration was challenging because some activities took longer than we initially expected. These challenges taught us the importance of proper planning and continuous monitoring throughout the project. Next, lesson learned. From these challenges, we learned several valuable lessons. First, we get a better understanding of resource allocation and workload management, which help us distribute tasks more effectively. Second, we realized that setting accurate task dependencies is important to avoid delays and keep the project on track. Third, working on this project strengthened our teamwork and communication, as we needed to coordinate closely to complete our tasks. Finally, by monitoring the project progress regularly, we improve our time management and we are able to identify issues early before they become bigger problems. From this assignment, we realized that Microsoft Project is more than just a tool for creating a Gantt chart. It is a complete project management tool that helps us plan, organize, monitor, and control a project more effectively. Using Microsoft Project, we learn how to create a structured schedule, assign task dependency, allocate resources, and monitor project progress in one system. We also found that when changes occurred, such as updates to the tentative program or cue sheet, Microsoft Project made it easier to revise the schedule and keep track of the project's progress. Reflection on the Silang project. Overall, this long project gave us valuable hands-on experience in managing a real project. Throughout the program, we realized that not everything goes according to the original plan. There were several unexpected changes, such as updates to this program schedule, last-minute adjustment on the event day, and coordination between different committees. This simulation taught us the importance of being flexible, staying calm under pressure, and making quick decisions while working as a team. In addition, this project showed us that effective communication and teamwork are just as important as having a well-planned schedule. By supporting one another, sharing information promptly, and solving problems together, we were able to ensure that the program continued to run smoothly despite the challenges we faced. This Sulam project also helped us connect what we learned in class with real-life project management. It strengthened our planning, communication, problem solving, leadership, and time management skills. This experience have prepared us to handle future projects more confidently and better have given us a better understanding of what it takes to successfully manage a project in a real working environment. That's all for our presentation. Thank you for watching.